guys, this video is going to be a little bit about our egg and chick production. We currently get about 2 dozen eating eggs a day, but we have some grow outs that will be starting to lay this fall. And then we also do a lot of incubating eggs, so we'll go over the incubation setup as well.
How cute.
She is cute.
That's a wig.
He's sleeping like a little baby on you.
Oh, look at her.
Oh!
Her waking up.
Yeah.
Look at that one's waking up.
Eggs.
Who was wearing eggs? What's that over there? No.
Okay, so we went to an auction for the first time to just kind of see what it was about. I got these turkey eggs for, I think they were $6 a dozen, which is cheap for hatching eggs. So we got 3 dozen of them. I had a hatch go wrong, so you can see on here it's set at 102.5. I have a little thermometer. It wasn't really holding heat like it was supposed to, so we're gonna try another hatch here. This right here is my first peacock egg I've ever got, so I decided to throw it in the incubator, kind of see what happens. I don't really know if she was fertilized or not, so maybe tomorrow I will candle these and I'll show you how that goes. This one will probably be turned by hand for all of its incubation just because it's a little too big for the tray. Let's see here. I think it's, oops, sorry, shining that in your eyeball. We'll see. So it says we're on day 27, so it's only been in there for 24 hours. I'll have to do another video on the incubator. I can't say these have been my favorite yet, but we are still figuring it out. I do like the egg turner a lot though, and it fits a lot of eggs. So I think it's just a trial and error maybe on this. I'm gonna kind of keep track of candling these, even though it's too early to probably see in them. You can kind of see just what they look like here. So you can see the yolk in there. Eventually you'll be able to see veins. So it doesn't have the speckles and it's quite a bit bigger. It's kind of probably as good as we'll get until we get to see some veins. But there it is. It's the peacock. It's really hard to see, but this one's looking pretty promising. Let's see here. These are day 3 eggs, so yeah, it's so hard in these spotted eggs. Let's just try another one here. This one's pretty light colored. You'll notice that some of these eggs are dirty that are in the incubator. It's important that you don't wash any of the eggs that you're hatching so you keep the bloom intact. And ideally you get them in the incubator within about a week of being laid. Really, there's no reason to candle this early. I just wanted to kind of show you day by day. Okay, let's go ahead and look in this peacock egg. I'm not seeing anything yet, and truthfully I don't even know if she was fertilized. I did get a male with her. Let's look at these. These are a little bit lighter colored. So this one actually does look kind of promising. It's gonna be so hard to see. Looks like right there we have a little vein starting to form. And again, there is no reason to be candling this early. The power went out. I'll just show you how to reset this. So we'll set here. Hold up. It's still set on 28 days. It says it restarted from the power outage. It still says that. So we're going to set it down to 26 days. So that should be good to go. We're going to keep this at the 50-ish for humidity. And we're going to reset this one as well. So just hold down the menu for 3 seconds. And that's fine. I'm going to put this down to 26 days. This is a pretty good embryo. Some of these are still too speckly to see. I think that one has one. You can see one in there. Ooh, that one's good. There's one right here. Oh, there's one right there. Here I'm just checking to make sure all the eggs are able to roll in this automatic egg turner. You can see that peacock egg isn't turning, so that one has been turned by hand. This was a fun little egg. I found it in the chicken run. People call them fairy eggs. It's just kind of a little glitch in the egg making process. And this one is about the size of a quarter and has a tiny little yolk. It's kind of fun to find those little funny looking eggs. We're just closing up chickens for the night. Gotta bring the dogs though, because honestly a little bit scared of the dark. Take a little peek in here. Make sure everyone got in for the night. Close up the door. Well, thanks for finding her. Gunner out. Where'd that bird go? Where is she? There's a bird out here somewhere. I don't know where she is. Pink. Do you see her? Did you find her? Come. Millie, where is she? Come on, Mill. Where is she? You see her? Did you find her? Oh, she must be hiding. Okay, come on. Let's go. Out. Sucked in the bug. Okay, come on. Gross. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for tonight. Thanks for watching. I gotta go find a bird. Just check on the peacocks. Oh, they're up for the night. Okay, come on dogs. What a mess.